Hello everyone. Namaste. Namaste Adhukya ji.
Namaste.
Namaste. So in today's video, we will be talking about a very important aspect, which is how to grow your chartered accountancy practice in a new city. And this applies to many chartered accountants who may be newly qualified, or maybe for a female who got married and shifted to a new city, or some other reason. So many of us have this question that I have shifted to a new city, I don't have contacts, I don't have any connection. For doing a practice, you need people around you. Without that, you will not get clients, you will not get work. So how to build your practice and how to make it success in a new city, we will be talking about it in our today's video. And we have with us Dr. C.A. Adhukya ji, who is a very learned and very experienced person, and we are privileged to have him on our channel. So I'll be taking a brief introduction of Dr. C.A. Rajkumar Adhukya ji. C.A. Adhukya ji is a global life business transformation guru. He has authored more than 300 plus books, and his mission is to transform CA profession by making every citizen economically powerful and thereby making India the most powerful nation of the world. Welcome Adhukya ji to our channel, and I am CA Krishna Vadher. I'll be the host for today's session, and we will be sharing the most easiest and most trickiest ways how to grow your practice in today's video. So over to you, sir.
Thank you. Good afternoon to all my viewers. Krishna ji, this is a very important question you have raised. How to develop chartered accountancy practice in a new city? See, a professional is known when a professional becomes a thought leader. What I mean by a thought leader is that a professional projects by speaking, by writing, by use of social media on that subject. Now I'll take speaking. Now where one will be speaking? One will be speaking maybe at the society where one lives. One will be speaking at a social community forum, maybe Agarwal, Kachis, Sindhis, like that we have forum. Then we have other organizations like Lions, Rotaries, JCs. Then we have a trade association. There is a city chamber of commerce. There is a state chamber of commerce. And there are district chamber of commerce. Then there is a newspaper in that city. So we can contact the editor and write a periodical, which may be a weekly periodical or a fortnightly periodical on a subject. So these are the speaking opportunities. The newspaper and other thing is a writing. So writing will happen by writing a book on that subject, a e-book or a article or a published book. So by that also, plus we speak also at a seminar and conferences. So there are chapters of Chartered Accountant, the branches are there, the company secretary chapters is there, post accountants, there is a bar council. Plus there are, each trade body chapters are there, textile market, chemical market. So these are the forums where we will be speaking. So we need to find out from Google who are the office bearers, write to them that I want to share a knowledge. I should create a small PPT which will give an evidence that what I want to share, and plus I can say that on any other subject. Now all these activities which I am talking about, Do not violate any provisions of Code of Ethics. Do not violate any provisions of the Chartered Accountants Act 1949. And the most important which we consider, is clause 5 of the first schedule to the CA Act, securing the work, clause 6, soliciting the work, clause 7, advertising the work. Then third aspect is use of extensive social media. So the Facebook, LinkedIn, Insta, Twitter, and we may have in Facebook and LinkedIn, there are groups. We can be member of 6,000 groups. So say I'm in Ahmedabad. I have shifted to Ahmedabad, say from Mumbai. So I will get Ahmedabad the entrepreneurs groups in Facebook and LinkedIn. So I can start posting there. I can start posting general. In general, there is a Toastmaster Club. There is a BNI Business National, the International Network. So these are the various forums. So, and I should be persistent to achieve anything. Say I have shifted today. So first I have a thought, I want to be number one in a new city, Ahmedabad. Though I am a newly shifted today. And then persistently, I will work on speaking opportunities, writing opportunities, and I will use social media. And I will get first connection, then second connections, then third connection, then all these prospective client. And the most important thing which I have learned in life is impression of increase. If the client gives a professional fees of 5,000, I should be able to render a value of 10,000 or 15,000. I will not be returning the money, but the value in use to the client is more than the money which the client is giving. So, Krishnaji, these are the initial thoughts to develop practice in a new city.
Sir, very beautifully said, that if you want to grow yourself or you grow your practice in any city, first it starts in your mind here. First, it comes from here, that I want to be the number one in the new city. Although I am in a new city, I challenge myself to become a number one in that city, and then I'll slowly start taking the steps towards becoming the number one in that city. And as you shared that, be more and more active as a speaker, as a writer, and in various forums. So हिंदी में एक कहावत है, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. So it
Yes.
applies to everyone in the profession as well. It doesn't just apply to products, it applies to services also, because people doesn't buy your service, people buy you first. So they need to know you. So to know
Our
you,
service is also a product.
yes, our service is a product, right? It may be an online product, but it's a product. And
Yes.
until the client have a trust on us, they will not buy our service. And to generate that trust, you need to be outspoken, you need to be visible in the market. Then only you can get more and more clients and the trust, and then service will come along with it. So thank you so much, sir, for sharing your beautiful thoughts. I'm sure many of the people who had reached out to me, many members who had reached out to me with this query will be benefited with today's video. And I request all my viewers to share the video with your near and dear ones, and make the maximum use of the video so that you can excel and the fear of new cities go away from your mind. Thank you so
And
much.
Krishnaji, we would like to be mastermind to them, those who need our
Yeah,
further assistance.
true.
Yourself and myself, we will assist them how to make their presence in a new city.
Yes, yes. Like as sir said, we would like to mentor you, we would like to handhold you in your journey to make your transformation and make your growth 10x. So if you have any questions, any doubts related to, if you have shifted to a new city, how would you want to grow your practice? You can write to us. We will put our email ID and a Google form in the description box. Do write to us with your queries and we will get back to you definitely on your questions. And do like, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.